Hello, dear students. Myself Vijay. We pass through the topic atomic radius and ionic radius. Next topic ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. It is represented by delta I H or I E. Again repeat, ionization enthalpy is represented by delta IH or IE. The minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom to form gaseous cation is called its ionization enthalpy. An atom represented M in gaseous state plus energy gives M plus, that is cation, plus electron. Cation is gaseous state. In this process, energy is always required to remove the electron from an atom. Hence, ionization enthalpies are always positive. It is measured in kilojoules per mole of atom. Successive ionization energy. The energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an isolated gaseous atom is called its first ionization enthalpy and represented delta I H1. M, that is atom and gaseous state, plus delta I H1 gives M cation plus electron. Now one more electron may be removed from M plus to form M plus 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 electron. The energy required for this purpose is called second ionization enthalpy and represented delta I H2. Similarly, there is third ionization enthalpy delta I H3 and so on. Here M plus plus delta I H2 gives M double positively charged plus electron, M positively charged plus delta I H3 gives M 3 plus plus electron. The ionization enthalpy is delta I H1, delta I H2 and delta I H3 are called successive ionization enthalpies. It is found that for an atom, the increasing order of successive energy is this. Explanation: after the removal of one electron from the neutral gaseous atom, a cation is formed. This cation has one electron less than the protons. Thus, the effective nuclear charge is increased. Electrons are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force. It becomes difficult to remove the electron from the cation. Therefore, ionization energy required to remove another electron from the cation is higher than that of its first ionization enthalpy. After removing one more electron from M cation, the double positively charged cation is formed. The nucleus holds the remaining electrons more firmly. Therefore, ionization enthalpy required to remove the second electron from gaseous cation M is higher than its second ionization enthalpy. Thus, delta I H3 is greater than delta I H2. Delta I H2 is greater than delta I H1. Next, factors on which ionization energy depends. It depends upon the following factors. First, size of the atom. Second, screening or shielding effect of inner shell electrons. Third, penetration effect of electron. 4. Electronic configuration of atoms or ions. Now first, as the size of the atom increases on going down a group, the electrons of the outermost orbit are attached towards the nucleus by lesser force. Therefore, it becomes easy to remove the most loosely bound electron from the atom. That is, ionization energy decreases with the increase in atomic size. Ionization enthalpies of alkali metals decrease on going down the group. It is due to increase in their atomic size. Second, screening or shielding effect of inner shell electrons. In general, greater the screening effect, easier is the removal of loosely bound electrons, lesser is the ionization enthalpy. Shielding effect is most effective when the orbitals of inner shells are completely filled, as present in case of alkali metals. Greater is the number of inner shell electrons, smaller is the ionization enthalpy. Again repeat. Greater is the number of inner shell electrons, smaller is the ionization enthalpy. Next, penetration effect of the electrons. For the same principal energy level, as electrons remain closer to the nucleus than do the p, d or f electrons. Thus, as electrons are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force than the p, d and f electrons. Therefore, ionization enthalpy for removing the s electron is maximum and it decreases in the order s, p, d, f. S is greater than P, P is greater than D, and D is greater than F. If the penetration effect of the electron is more, it will be closer to the nucleus and is held more firmly by the nucleus. This results in high ionization enthalpy. Next, electronic configuration. Since the configuration with half-filled or fully filled orbitals is more stable, so in case of atoms having such a configuration, ionization energy is high because a large amount of energy is required to remove the electron. Next, variation of ionization enthalpy in the periodic table. First, variation in a group. On moving down a group, the ionization enthalpy decreases. Again repeat, on moving down a group, the ionization enthalpy decreases. This can be explained as follows. The nuclear charge increases due to addition of electrons, but since the electrons are added to the new energy level, that is distance between the valence electron and nucleus increases. The shielding effect on the outermost electron increases due to increase in the number of inner electrons. Variation along a period. On moving from left to right in a period, number of orbits in the elements remain same, but effective nuclear charge is increased. Hence, electrons of the outermost orbit are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force. Greater energy is required to remove the electron from the outermost orbit, that is, in a period, ionization enthalpy increases with the increase in atomic number. Again repeat my sentence. In a period, ionization enthalpy increases with the increase in atomic number. Next topic, electron gain enthalpy in next video. Thank you.